There's a lot of opinions out there about AI. I have my own opinion. Now, I work in IT, so my opinion is very, very biased. I think AI is a great thing when you leverage it properly. I'm going to show you how to do that today to help with your VA disability claims. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Steve. I run the Veteran YouTube channel. I want to thank you all for being an audience. This is my second year. I started last January, and this is my second year beginning right now. And I'm kind of excited to see where it goes. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that I've seen on both sides from my background as a veteran and how it has helped me and assisted me in my VA disability claims process. I'm gonna merge that with my IT background. I've been in IT since I got out of the military. So today we're going to talk about AI. It's a very controversial topic. I understand some people think it's the devil. People think it's going to save the world. Listen, AI is a very useful tool if you use it properly. Today, we're going to delve into how you use the AI, or in our case today, we're going to specifically use Google Gemini. There's ChatGPT, there's Google Gemini, there's Copilot, there's 100 of them out there now, right? So what we're going to talk about is how can AI help me with my VA disability claims. So I've got a recording going on of my screen, and I'm going to move myself into the corner and move the screen up to the middle here and make sure that you can see it. All right, so the Nova app that's on the iPad. So just go with me here for a minute. I'm going to tell the AI engine what they should be specifically focused on. So I'm going to type in, act as a veteran's disability claims expert. Okay, first of all, I'm establishing that the AI engine is going to take that and it's going to go, okay, what's the data that I'm looking for? I'm looking for VA disability data, right? VA disability information is what I'm pulling out of my data set to try and spit back out something useful. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it a question. How are headaches connected to or a result of PTSD in the eyes of the VA for disability purposes? And I'm going to hit enter. And it's going to go in and tell us exactly how the VA views the connection. So there's direct causation, right? The VA needs evidence demonstrating the headaches are a result of PTSD. This isn't simply stating that you have both PTSD and headaches, etc. Medical evidence. This is the cornerstone. This includes your medical records, treatment records, diagnostic tests, nexus letter, etc. What the VA might consider not sufficient evidence is simply having a diagnosis of both without establishing a clear link, vague descriptions of headaches without details about frequency, severity, triggers, lack of medical documentation. Okay, so this is one example of how you can use this. I'm going to restart now, and we're going to do this one more time. And I'm going to leave you in the comment or in the description below. I'm going to leave you with a couple things that you can go basically copy, put into your AI engine of choice, whether it be Google Gemini, Copilot, ChatGPT, or any of the others out there, and then just change a couple words here and there and see if they can help you do some research. So let's do this one here. Act as a VA disability claims expert. Explain in detail any and all of the secondary conditions that can be attributed to PTSD according to medical information. Boom. And then what we're going to see is it's going to come back and say, hey, I can't give you all of them, but I can give you some commonly associated secondary conditions, such as sleep disturbances, cardiovascular disease, gastrointestinal, chronic pain, immune system, substance use disorders. And then PTSD often co-occurs with depression and anxiety and trauma stressor relates or trauma stressors, etc. And then it tells you important considerations for your VA disability claims. Listen, these are just two quick examples of how you can leverage AI to help you with your claims. Again, in the description below, I'm going to put a couple, or I've provided a couple or several prompts. And the prompts are what you put in, right? It's what you ask the AI engine to do. That's what a prompt is. So take those, try them out, see if they're useful for you. Please like, share, subscribe. That helps get the word out to more veterans. Hopefully this can help a ton of veterans. And at the end of the day, if you can, share this with another veteran, comment with your experiences using the tools if you use them, or hey, this is too much for me, or hey, how's the VA going to use AI, which I don't have an answer for yet, but I know that they're going to look into it because the government spends money like it's their own. It's not. So let's just go ahead and end the video with a good note of thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.